If you are constantly uploading videos and you are getting less than 500 views, here are 5 common mistakes you have been making. In this video, I will give you 5 reasons why your videos are not being pushed out by the YouTube algorithm. Well, I have 2 YouTube channels that have combined together to give me 500,000 views with 200,000 subscribers. And I have been creating long form videos on YouTube for over 3 years now. I have come across this problem many times, but guys, I have finally figured out how to fix this problem, and this video should help you to fix yours too, because I will actually be showing you how to solve this problem in this video, and in your next upload you should start having thousands of views. The first reason why your videos are not getting views could be because YouTube algorithm has not found out the right audience for your content yet. When you are just getting started with a new YouTube channel, or when you have a new YouTube account, the work of the YouTube algorithm is to push out your videos with large numbers of people with the aim of finding the right audience for your videos. So when YouTube algorithm push out your content with large numbers of people and they don't click to watch your videos, YouTube algorithm will stop pushing out those content for more people to watch. However, if YouTube algorithm push out your content and people actually clicks on them and watch them, YouTube algorithm will keep on recommending your videos to more people. It is as easy as that, but it's not an easy task. Sometimes it takes time before YouTube algorithm actually find out the right audience for your videos. Here you will find impression, which means the number of people that YouTube algorithm has pushed out your content to. So out of the thousands impressions, these are the people that actually clicked on your content. It's okay, though it's not a kind of Mr. Big's result. Even Mr. Big said his first 100 videos didn't have much views because YouTube was still trying to find out the right audience for his videos. Now, you need to help the YouTube algorithm to find the right audience for your content very fast. And the only way you can do this is to focus on how to increase your CTR. So CTR means click-through rate, which is the engine room of growing fast on YouTube. So click-through rate means how many people clicked on your video when being pushed out by the YouTube algorithm. And to increase your click-through rate, you need to focus on designing a good thumbnail and also to using a good title for your videos. What we mean by viewer psychology. You don't need to have high level of graphics design before you actually get good thumbnail on your videos. What you need to do is to understand viewers' emotions. Sometimes viewers click on your videos based on desire, based on curiosity, or based on fear. All you need is to understand psychology of viewers. Now, by the psychology of viewers, I mean understand the emotional relationship, emotional connection that will connect your videos with your viewers. Now, for example, when you want to create a thumbnail, let your thumbnail and your title be based on emotions. Viewers view a YouTube video based on their emotions, like their desires, their curiosity, and their fear. For example, 100k views with 50 subscribers. Viewers will be curious to know how possible is it for someone that has only 50 subscribers to have 100,000 views. So that was a thumbnail design based on curiosity. And also, if I want to create a content about how to get more views on YouTube, and on my thumbnail I would say increase your YouTube views by 500%. Viewers will want to click and watch my videos because that is a thumbnail based on desire. Viewers want to increase their YouTube views by 500% or even by 1000%. So that is me captivating viewer based on his or her desires. And also, when you are creating your titles, also create your titles based on these 3 things: curiosity, fear, and desire. If you are learning something from me, please subscribe to my channel. It takes nothing for you to subscribe to my channel. It's actually free, but it will help me a lot. Thank you for subscribing. There is a YouTube free SEO tool that will help you to suggest a good title that will be clickable for you on your YouTube. It's actually free. If you want me to share it with you, please let me know on the comment section. Now, the second reason why your videos are not getting more views could be because you are using a brand new account. So let me ask you, how old is your account? Let me know your answer on the comment section. If you just create a new account and you just start creating videos on those accounts, there is a chance that YouTube won't be pushing out those videos at first. This is annoying, I know, because we all want to have more views as soon as possible. But for some reasons, YouTube won't push out those videos at first. YouTube will think that you are a robot or a bot and not a human, so they won't push out those videos. Let me tell you a story. When I first got started with YouTube, I created a new account and I created videos on those accounts, and YouTube algorithm was not pushing out those videos. That was when I realized that YouTube doesn't like a new account and they really want to know if actually it's a human that is using that account or not. If you are just getting started with YouTube, please use an account that you have already set up before. YouTube want to see that you have already used your account to watch other people content, you've engaged on the comment section, you have liked people's video, and you have actually subscribed to other people's channel for them to confirm and know that you are a human and not a bot before they actually start pushing out your content or recommending your videos for more people to see. So start now by giving a like to my video and click on the subscription button. It actually costs you nothing. It's for free, and then say something on the comment section for YouTube to know that you are actually a human and not a bot. Remember, three mistakes I see beginner YouTubers make is choosing quantity videos over quality videos. Many new YouTubers fall into this trap of getting thousands of views and subscribers as soon as possible. This makes them to prioritize quantity videos over quality videos. And this has been hurting your channel, limiting your chance of going viral or even being noticed on YouTube. Posting consistently can actually contribute to your growth on YouTube, but choosing a less quality or a low quality videos so that it will be much and plenty than choosing quality videos will actually ruin your channel. Having more less quality videos on your channel will actually lead to low views, low audience retention, and it will damage your reputation. That is because new viewers that watch your poor content on your channel will not want to come back to watch your new upload, and that is bad for your channel. High quality content offers real value and increase your chance of being successful on YouTube. To prove my point, here is an example of a new account called Edmond Young. He got 15,000 subscribers after uploading just 9 or 10 videos. This is because the 9 or 10 videos he actually posted was quality videos and not quantity. And this actually made people to fall in love with his content and actually subscribe and will always want to watch more of his content. When you see gurus like this making huge success with just few uploads, it's because they have experience on YouTube content creation. I'm trying to say that this YouTuber has already had an experience and then used those experience he has to actually be successful on his next YouTube channel. So as a beginner YouTuber, you don't have much experience. I am here now to share my own experience with you. Focus on creating quality content and not focusing on creating quantity content. This will actually ruin your chances of being a successful YouTuber. Instead of banking uploads every day, 12 videos a week, focus on creating a good SEO searchable content. Content that actually solve people's problem and educate them or entertain them. There is a free AI tool that I will share with you that can actually suggest a title for you and also write a script for you and direct you on how to create a trending video that will actually make you to grow fast on YouTube. If you want to know this free AI tool, let me know on the comment section and I will tell you it's actually free. Please, if you are learning something from me, please click on the subscription button and let me know your thoughts about this video on the comment section. To subscribe to my channel is actually free. It will not cost you anything, but it will help me a lot. The fourth mistakes I see beginners YouTuber make is actually creating content that is not on a trending topics. Imagine creating content on topics that viewers are already tired of seeing content about. That is you coming into a trend late. So to know a popular trending topics that will actually help your videos to go viral as a beginner YouTuber, all you need to do is to subscribe to like 10 gurus channel, the professional gurus channels on your niche. Subscribe to their channel. Now, this is what you want to do. After subscribing to their channel, go into their channel and then click on videos, then go to latest videos. Now, when you go to their latest video, check their last 5 uploads. Study those videos to gain inspiration from those videos and then use those inspiration to make your own videos. The reason is because the format of their videos has proven to be good and that they will actually go viral. So if you draw inspirations from there, study the format of their title, see how you can recreate something similar or simply just copy what they did. This will actually help you to go viral because they actually create those content on a trending topics. The fifth reason I know that cause beginners YouTuber a lot of views is that their videos are missing the YouTube algorithm. When you are just getting started on YouTube or when you have a new YouTube channel, YouTube algorithm may be missing on recommending your videos for more people to see. So if you make quality videos and those videos are not getting views, don't panic. Patience is one of the key when it comes to new YouTube channel. You need to have patience, and the next thing you will do is that you have to change the topic of that your video, or you have to change the thumbnail of that your video. It happens to everyone. Remember, I have shared with you the secret format to actually create a good thumbnail. Create a good thumbnail with only 4 or 3 words that are what captivating, and those words must be compelling. I have created a 6-minute tutorial that will show you how to change the background of your video to any background of your choice. For example, if you don't like the background of your video like this one I'm using right here, I have created a tutorial for you. You can actually change that background to any image of your choice. So do it to check it out. I have also posted it here. Just click on it and see how you can actually change the background of your video to any image of your choice.